Alright, to prove that this huge number is divisible by 7, let us add and subtract 3 power 5555 and 4 power 2222. So, writing these two terms together and these two terms together, we get 2222 whole power 5555 minus 3 power 5555 plus 5555 whole power 2222 minus 4 power 2222 and this remaining term. So, as we know that a power n minus b power n can be written as a minus b times some expression. Now, applying the same here, a minus b value will be equal to 2222 minus 3 times something. Now, similarly, it will be 5551 times something. Now, this value, which is 2219, is a multiple of 7, and hence we can say that this whole value will be multiple of 7. And similarly, as 5551 is multiple of 7, we can say that this whole term will be multiple of 7. So, this means this term and this term has been proved that they are multiples of 7. Now, we need to check for this term, which is 3 power 5555 plus 4 power 2222. Now, we know that a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So, applying the same here, we can write 3 power 5 whole power 1111 plus 4 square whole power 1111, because these two values are same. Now, this is equal to 3 power 5 243 whole power 1111 plus 4 square, which is 16 power 1111. Now, we have another result where a power n plus b power n can be written as a plus b times a power n minus 1 plus so on, where n is an odd positive integer. In this case, it is 1111, and hence this term can be written as 243 plus 16 times some expression. Now again, 243 plus 16 is equal to 259, which is a 7 multiple. So this means this whole term will also be a 7 multiple, and hence we can say that the given huge number is a multiple of 7.